to Smart Step Learning AI for Business Group. Today I'll show you how small businesses can use ChatGPT daily with real examples. Most businesses, most people think ChatGPT is only for writing content. But if you are a small business owner, ChatGPT can help you every single day. In this video, I will show you real daily examples of how small businesses can use ChatGPT even if you have no technical background. So welcome to Smart Step Learning AI for Business Growth. Now, most of the small business owners are always busy. The problem they face as writing an email, customer messages, content planning, everything depends on them. Doing everything manually leads to stress and growth. Now, for the daily business email, writing email takes time and mental energy. So with ChatGPT, you can write client email, follow up messages, simple proposal. Just you need to tell ChatGPT who the email is for and what you want. Customers WhatsApp replies. Do customer ask the same question again and again? So ChatGPT can help you create polite WhatsApp reply, FAQ responses, and appointment confirmation messages. So this will save your time and improve your professionalism. Writing social media content ideas. Stuck thinking about what to post. So ChatGPT can give you post idea, real topics, and caption suggestion. You don't need to be creative every day. AI helps. Now, business planning and to-do list. You can use ChatGPT like planning assistant. Ask it to plan your week, organize daily tasks, break big goals into small steps. This brings clarity and focus. It also helps you to generate ideas, solving problems. If you are stuck in your business, ChatGPT can help you to generate new ideas, improve your existing process, thinking from a customer's point views as well. So the result is ChatGPT doesn't replace you. It supports you like a smart assistant working with you. So if you want to use AI in a simple practical way for your business, subscribe to Smart Step Learning AI for Business Growth. I will share you real examples that saves time and reduce stress. Thank you very much.